Okay, so let's look at question number 4. So question number 4 is saying figure 4 shows the relationship between blood, tissue fluid, cells and lymph. Figure 4 shows the relationship between blood, tissue fluid, cells and lymph. Roman numero 1. Identify structure U, R and T. Identify structure U, R and T. So structure U is the lymphatic vessel. Structure U, lymphatic vessel. Structure R, that is our arteriole. Structure R, that is our arteriole. Then structure T, that is the venue, which represents the blood vessel called a vein. So U, lymphatic vessel. R, arteriole or artery. T, venue or vein. Then Roman numero 2, name 2 nutrients represented by S. Name 2 nutrients represented by S. So we have amino acids and glucose. Amino acids and glucose. Okay. Roman numero 3 is saying compare the blood pressure at R to the blood pressure at T and give a reason for your answer. Compare the blood pressure at R to that at T and give a reason for your answer. So number 1, comparison. They want us to compare the blood pressure which is at blood vessel R and the one at blood vessel T. So comparison, the answer is blood pressure at R is higher while blood pressure at T is lower. Blood pressure at R is higher while blood pressure at T is lower. Reason, now they want us to give a reason why we are saying the blood pressure at R is higher while blood pressure at T is lower. So they want us now to give a reason for that. So reason, because R has a narrow or small lumen while T has a bigger or wider lumen. Now this increases high pressure in capillaries, which allow nutrients to filter out as tissue fluid. So the reason why the blood pressure at point R, which is an artery, is higher while the blood pressure at T, which is a vein, is lower is because the blood vessel, which is R, has a small lumen or narrow lumen, while blood vessel T has a wider or big lumen. So this increases the pressure in the capillaries, which allows nutrients to filter out as tissue fluid. Okay, so comparison, we are saying blood pressure at R, which is an artery, is higher while the blood pressure at T, which is a vein, is lower. The reason is because blood vessel R has a small lumen while blood vessel T has a wider lumen. This creates high blood pressure in the capillaries, which allows nutrients to filter out as tissue fluid. Okay, then the last question is saying explain the laws of the structure U in relation to blood circulatory system. Explain the laws of the structure U in relation to blood circulatory system. So they want us to explain the law played by U, which is a lymphatic vessel. So what law is played by the lymphatic vessel in relation to blood circulatory system. So the role played by you in relation to blood circulatory system, the answer is it conducts lymphocytes to blood, it conducts cholesterol, fat acids, and glycerol from the alimentary canal and maintain fluid balance in the body. Okay, so number one, you're saying it conducts lymphocytes to blood, it conducts cholesterol, fat acid, and glycerol from the alimentary canal, and it also maintains the fluid